Enjoy every moment of life. Just breathe. Feel the love, the joy you need. Enjoy every moment of life. Stay bright. Little things make it feel so right. Sunrise colors fill the skies. Gentle smiles, easy eyes, quiet days, simple ways life unfolds in perfect pace. She walks in with that swing, got the whole place buzzing like spring. Eyes like lasers, sharp and bold. She's got a story yet untold. Lip gloss shining under neon lights, turns the mundane into starry nights. With every step she owns the floor, got you craving just a little more. Sassy girl, she be ruling the scene. Life in technicolor, not black and green. Heart of fire burning bright like noon. She's the melody to every tune. Soft as a sunrise, gentle and true. Colors of perfume painted in you. Beauty in silence, strength in the rain. Fragile beginnings that still remain.
And you happen to order this Philadelphia. It's 115, but look at the price of the scalps.
Still grow, in our softness, power shows. Flowers, flowers, delicate and strong. Flowers, flowers, where we belong. Grace in the sunlight, roots in the ground. Flowers.
Be careful.